welcome back to my channel and happy new year. So we finally made it. We passed 2020, we're now in 2021, so yay. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's been a minute. I disappeared just for a minute, so I'm back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this tutorial on how to install this hair. So this is my own version of butterfly locks. I used braiding hair, and yes, I use braiding hair and Brazilian wool to make the hair. My previous video, I will post a video previous on how to make the hair, right? So how to make the crochet. So this video will just be showing you guys how to install it. It's going to be super fast and super easy to install. I'm not going to show you the entire process. I'm just going to show you a few ones. All right. So this hair, I've carried it a week now. All right. So it's a week now, and it still looks okay. Still looks okay. So that's it. This tutorial is going to be very short, very short. So yeah, that's basically it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it down below. I'll do well to answer them. Yeah, welcome to 2021. Let's see how this goes. So this is my hair just washed. So I'm going to go ahead and put this my hair in parts. Okay, so this is it. I have the 40 parts here. So I just went ahead and braided that. I tried using edge control, but it didn't go well, so I didn't. So to install the hair, just go ahead and open up the loop a little, and then pass the crochet needle through your hair, loop it, and pull it out. Now don't try pulling out the hair. You know the hair is not smooth like the normal locks. Okay, so just try pulling it out. Just go ahead and loop the hair and just try pulling out from the other end of the hair. Okay, so some of the hair will give you a little struggle, because I had a little struggle trying to pull out the hair. So just go ahead and be patient with it, because it's not like normal fox lock that is just smooth and easy to pull out. Right, so once you're done, pulling it out and looping it properly like you normally do on any kind of crochet, like braids and the rest. Okay, so once you're done pulling that out, you go ahead and put the needle through the locks, the butterfly locks. Right, put it through to the end where your hair is, where the braids is. All right, and then loop the braids and then pull it out, like pull it into the locks. Okay, so that it will hide your natural hair. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it again so you guys can see. All right, loop, put the crochet needle into your hair, loop the hair, open up the if you check my video, yeah, the one that I did, I showed you how to do the crochet. I showed you how to kind of twist it. That twist you do just before you start wrapping it will help the hair hold. Okay, so when you're trying to pull it, it's the twist that it's opening up. It's not the hair that you wrap that is unraveling. Okay, so just go ahead and open that and then crochet it onto your hair. Once you're done struggling like I'm doing, just go ahead and put the needle into the butterfly locks. All right, just go ahead and put that inside, so that when you pull your natural hair, it will hide inside the wrap. Okay, so just go ahead and do what I'm doing. Okay, even if you did not do the crochet by yourself, I did not prepare the hair like I did this one I'm using, even if you did not do it, any crochet that you're doing, if you're doing this method, if you're not doing the cornrows method, if you're doing this method, you still have to hide your hair. Okay, so you just loop the hair. Instead of leaving it like that, if you had cornrows, you have to go ahead and hide your natural hair. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'll just go ahead and show you guys this story. I didn't want this video to be super long, because this is just an easy installation. Okay, so I didn't want the video to be super long. That's why I just stopped at 3. All right, so just go ahead, and you see me, I'm still struggling here. That's because I twisted the hair, which I kind of think made it more firm. When you crochet it, it makes the hair really firm, like you actually did it on your head. Okay, so once I'm done struggling with that, I'll just go ahead and hide my natural hair and blend it in. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is just to kind of blend the whole hair in and just kind of make it look like normal locks. Okay, so this is the 3 I am showing you guys. So just go ahead and do the same thing. I wasn't really ready to do that hair that moment. I just wanted to use the light to do it. So that's why I just did the 3, and then I went on to do what I wanted to do. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. This is another video that I'm working on right now. This video is how to style the hair, like different ways to wear the hair, to style the hair. So that's why I'm not saying anything. I'm not letting the video play. So if you want to see this video, just subscribe, stay tuned, because this is my next video. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.